Hey guys, here's my train collection. I have lots. Let me introduce them. Stafford, Hero, Ryan, Salty, Thomas, Flynn, Gator, Muddy Thomas, Mike, Charlie, Stephanie, Edward, Giscruff, Hersey, Emily, Timothy, Diesel, Dieselton, Talking Victor or Yellow Victor, Slash and Splash, Emily, Toby, Harvey, Victor, Freddie, Hugo, James, this is my old one, Charlie, this is my new Charlie, Samson, Gordon, Thomas, another Thomas, Snowden hadn't, I lost his Tinder because I forgot where it was in the latest years. Streamlight Gordon, Speed Spark Thomas, Original Thomas, Steve Works Thomas, My Custom Made Paint Splatter Thomas, Spencer, Fine Scotsman, my old Gordon, a new James, Henry, Trophy Thomas, Red and versus Blue Thomas, Steven, and Crash and Bash and Dash. And Phil. That's all my engines. I don't know how many I got so far in this video. Comment down below. Anyways, you can question every one of my. You can request any world's strongest engines you can tell me about in the comments. So bye. This is Kenneth. This is Happy Go Lucky signing off.